Yeah, should make him laugh.
Goo gaga. Goo gaga. Oh yeah. He fell up on my pillow.
Oh, it's okay. Go ahead, make him laugh. I'll clean it up if you make him laugh.
But my pillow got fell.
Make him laugh and I'll clean it up. Oh, stop it. You're such a little baby. I'll make you laugh, baby Tommy. Ticka, 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 ticka. Why is your sister crying? Why is your sister crying? Did you spit up on her pillow? It's okay. It's okay. Come on, Ashley, make him laugh once. I'll get him off your pillow. I see you. Go ahead, make him laugh once. Thomas, you gonna laugh again? Go ahead, once. Come on.
I want to take a picture.
All right, after you make him laugh, go ahead.
Goo gaga. Goo gaga.
Make him laugh like you did before.
Goo gaga. Goo gaga. Goo gaga. Goo goo gog.
He won't stay still. Forget it.
Okay, forget it.